Hi, it's Peg. June is here, so that means I need to get busy. And I sincerely mean this because we all need to move beyond some of the things that are going on in the world. But um, this month of June, is Artist Trading Card a Day. And if you guys don't know about that, I'll put a photo in here. Each year, Chelsea and I have sponsored for the month of June an artist trading card every day. And you can just use any social media to use the hashtag ATC a day and put your artwork out there so that others can find it. And um, I watched Shell's video this morning. It's been a sad day, a sad weekend, sad time watching what's going on. And um, I've just, between what's going on with my family and locally and all of that, it's been very difficult for me to work. So I spent the day yesterday at the Veterans Hospital. As you know, my husband is a terminal cancer patient, and so we many times have to spend the whole day at the hospital. But um, I saw so many people there who were heartsick and talk to a lot of people. But I'm going to move on and just say here that in solidarity, you may see some of my art that's coming out that will address some of these issues, because art is a great way of releasing some of that tension that we hold, and it also is a way of making a statement. Art is not the only way to make a statement. I think at this point we do need to pick a side and do something positive to move beyond this. We can't just sit on the sidelines and let things go on the way they are. Okay, I'm getting off my soapbox now, and I want to share a few things with you. I have several different storage methods for ATCs. They do offer these little books on Amazon, which is a nice way to, these are just ATCs that I've done in the past that, are in here. And it's just the right size book. I'll try to remember to put a link in, or just check my Amazon store if you're interested in these. They're trading card size. And the other one here is from my my friend Vicky at Messy Table Studio does these books that have pockets in them. I don't know if she has any in the store right now, but this is holding cards that people have sent to me. And I like this style also because, you can pull it out. You can look at the back to see who sent this to you. It's just a nice way of remembering, storing, sharing. But I'll try to put a link to her Etsy store, or you can contact her and see if she'll make a book like that for you. I think she has a video that shows you how to make those. I'll try to find that for you. But I also have these trading card boxes. I got these from Amazon too, and these are just holding cards that have been shared with me from other artists, you know, that send me trading cards. So these are a nice way, easy way to store things. And they're just, they come like this. It's a diamond quarter box. It holds 100 2.5 by 3.5 inch cards. So you can get those. And I store, you know, these are backgrounds that are ready to go to make artist trading cards. So I store a lot of that kind of stuff in these. I also store some of the cards that I'm going to send to other people in here. And these are just examples of cards that have been done in the past. These are very dimensional ones because, you know, I like to work with dimension, but it doesn't mean yours have to be like this. They can be whatever you want them to be. So let's get started and make some cards for the month of June and share with our friends. So I'm speeding this up. This would be quite a long video if I didn't start moving things along. These are some backgrounds that we created in a live show about a week ago, I think. Shell and I do a live show on Art Joy Sharing, which is our shared channel. But anyway, doing ATCs, I am decorating the back so that people can know where this came from if I mail these out. And that's all part of the process when you're doing artist trading cards. But I'm still being affected by what's going on in the world, and you'll see that in the art on this particular trading card as I work. But I'm just gluing this down onto the backer board, and then I will start adding some imagery. I go to punch, and of course this paper's too thin, so then I have to deal with that. And yeah, anyway, so what I want to tell you about is the things that are going on this month. Most of the things that Shell and I do this month will have to do with ATCs, whether it's the Pick-a-Stick or our live show, or you know, whatever it is we're doing, we will probably be doing ATCs because we're doing one every day. I did sign up for Seth Apter's class. He's doing an online class, and Shell and I both signed up for that. I want to support those artists that are, you know, at home, not able to go out and teach and earn the income that they were earning in another way. And this is one way that you can do it. There are any number of artists that are doing that. Also, there are a number of stores and events that are doing things online now. So if you want to support those, you can do your shopping online and help out those businesses so that they can keep on going through this pandemic time. So, yeah, I was watching a lot of the videos that were coming out, the violence, the anger, the information about the injustice to George Floyd. And I just have to say that no one deserves the treatment that George received from police officers. I have family in enforcement, and this is just not acceptable. You can't just comment on social media. I think you have to take a stand on something like this. And I don't think that being black should be a death sentence. So Yeah, anything that I can do to alleviate that problem, whether it's talking to my congressman or, helping to make laws change and to get rid of corruption. Um, I understand the anger, and I want to be able to say that, I'm supporting in solidarity. I have to say, police brutality has to end, that we have to say no to racism, that there should be no more deaths in our future. Now, that's not reality. We know that this is not going to just end overnight, but we can affect change. We can make a difference. You can make a difference. Your votes count. The things that you say and do, the marching, the whatever you can do to help is important. So I have to stand up for justice. I hope you can stand up for justice. Rise up, do what you can to help. I want to send love out to the world. I don't want to appear angry. I just want to say I can't walk in your shoes, but I can try to make a change in the world. So I hope you're enjoying the challenge. I hope you join us in the challenge this month. And I hope the world can become a brighter place and affect the changes that need to be made. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you again soon. Wow, guys, I'm sorry. I had no idea how depressed I was sounding, and I just want to cry when the world is so upside down. I'm worried about my family. I worry about my own little corner of the world, not just what's going on out there. So, yeah, um, everybody's been faced with this, and it was bad enough that we were all uh, kept at home, and now this. I mean, guys, I just want to reach out and hug you all. This is just more than a body can stand. So, um, anyway, I'm going to finish up this card and I'm going to start on day 2 because, we're already on day 2. So I have these pieces. This is another piece that I'd started during a live show not too long ago. I'm going to cut this down. The background is actually alcohol ink. I did some alcohol ink pieces a while back. I've got these stencils from Stencil Girl, and I was using some alcohol ink with it, and I decided to cut those pieces down and still using some of these collage pieces that are sitting on my desk, and I'm going to glue this all up and have day 2 done. And of course, my constant theme is peace, love, joy, uh, hugs to you all, and yeah, yeah, still in this mode. So I hope you can bear with me. I'm really sorry if I sound down and out, but yeah, life has been knocking us around, hasn't it? So, the other thing that's going on this month is I've got a video coming out in about a week for Stencil Girl. I'm on the Stencil Girl design team. I've not been in a mood to create much of anything. I forced myself to finish that canvas. Um, it's really hard to be creative when your mood is so bad, and that's where my mood has been. It's really bad. Um, I just got to get out of this funk and start creating, and that's what I think the artist trading card a day is going to do for me. It's going to force me to create something. And I also signed up for that class. I've got a couple of other classes I need to finish, so um, hopefully that'll help bring me around to being a little more human, not so zombie-like. So, uh, anyway, you'll be seeing me around. I don't know exactly when I'll be posting videos. I don't even know if I'll do videos for all the artist trading cards, but I will be making them and posting them with the hashtag. That's hashtag ATCAD 2020. I'll be looking for yours. Talk to you later. Love and peace. Bye for now.